Empire State Building illuminates gold and white to celebrate the first American Pope. Leo XIV, New York City, joins the world in celebrating a historic papal election. Tonight, as the sun sets over Manhattan, one of the world's most iconic landmarks, will radiate in a celestial display of gold and white, casting its luminous tribute into the New York City skyline. The Empire State Building is honoring a monumental moment in religious and American history, the election of the very first American Pope, His Holiness Pope Leo XIV. In a symbolic nod to the traditional white smoke that rises from the Sistine Chapel chimney when a new pope is chosen, New York City is offering its own version of this timeless signal, bold beams of light soaring into the sky, uniting faith, patriotism, and celebration. A new chapter for the Catholic Church Pope Leo XIV, formerly known as Robert Francis Prevost, was born in Chicago, Illinois. A member of the Order of St. Augustine, he has long been admired for his commitment to social justice, missionary work, and a theology rooted in compassion. Having spent significant time living and working in Peru, where he led Augustinian missions and held various roles in the Catholic Church, Prevost brought a global perspective to his ministry well before entering the College of Cardinals. After a brisk two-day papal conclave held in Vatican City, the 68-year-old cardinal was elected to the papacy by his peers, marking a decisive moment not only for the Roman Catholic Church, but for the global faithful. His election signifies a continued shift toward inclusivity, modernization, and social outreach. According to the New York Times, Leo XIV is expected to carry on the legacy of Pope Francis, championing causes such as climate responsibility, poverty, alleviation, and the humane treatment of migrants and refugees. A skyline that speaks. To honor this groundbreaking election, the Empire State Building has transformed into a beacon of spiritual significance, illuminating its upper stories in gold and white, the traditional colors of the Vatican flag. Gold represents the spiritual power of the Church and the divinity of God, while white stands for purity, holiness, and the Pope's role as a shepherd to the faithful. This breathtaking tribute is made possible by the building's cutting-edge LED lighting system, which boasts a staggering capacity of 16 million colors with virtually limitless combinations. Since its installation in 2012, the system has allowed the Empire State Building to respond dynamically to current events, cultural celebrations, charitable causes, and global milestones. The lights are typically turned on at sunset and remain visible until 2 a.m., offering ample time for residents and tourists alike to witness the display. Whether you're watching from a midtown rooftop, strolling through Bryant Park, or viewing it online, tonight's display is one for the history. Books lighting up for a cause. The Empire State Building is no stranger to expressive lighting. On any given night, the tower may glow red for Valentine's Day, green for St. Patrick's Day, or rainbow-colored during Pride Month. But some displays stand out as particularly historic. Tonight's tribute is one of them. While Vatican watchers traditionally look to the Sistine Chapel chimney for white smoke signaling the election of a new pope, New Yorkers now have their own version. As the Church welcomes its first pope from the United States, the Empire State Building ensures that this moment resonates not just in Rome, but across oceans and across faiths. This isn't the first time the tower has paid tribute to a pope. In 2015, it lit up in yellow and white for Pope Francis' visit to New York City, an event that drew thousands of pilgrims and onlookers. But tonight is different. Tonight is not just a welcome, it's a celebration of an American milestone in global religious leadership. A pope for the people. Pope Leo XIV is seen by many as a pope of the people. His pastoral work in South America, commitment to the marginalized, and strong sense of humility have endeared him to Catholics around the world. Known for walking among the poor and speaking plainly about the need for justice, he is expected to usher in an era that embraces change while maintaining the spiritual foundation of the Church. In his first address as pontiff, Leo XIV spoke of unity, hope, and compassion. Let us go forward together, not just as Catholics but as one human family, caring for those left behind, welcoming the stranger, and loving one another without condition. How to see it? If you're in New York City, make your way to any clear vantage point in Midtown Manhattan this evening. The gold and white lights will shine brightest just after sunset and continue late into the night. For those who can't make it in person, the Empire State Building's live cam on its website offers real-time views, or you can explore videos from previous light shows by searching Empire State Building light shows on YouTube. Want to know what the building will be lit up for tomorrow? The Empire State Building maintains a daily lighting calendar available on its website. You can also text CONNECT to 27416 for real-time updates and lighting explanations straight to your phone. A night to remember as the city lights flicker. On and the Empire State Building takes on its gold and white glow, New York joins the world in celebrating a historic moment that transcends faith and nationality. Whether you're Catholic or simply a witness to history, tonight is a reminder of how one man's election can light up the world, both symbolically and literally. In a world often divided by borders and beliefs, tonight, the skyline itself speaks. Hope has a new name, Pope Leo XIV. Want to become a travel content creator or launch your own channel? You don't need 1 million views or thousands of subscribers to start earning right away. If you're dreaming of sharing your travel stories and getting paid to do it, but don't know where to begin, let's chat. Book a one-on-one clarity call now and get paired with an experienced team lead to guide you every step of the way. Check the description box for the call purchase link.